Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Uday Batu. Today I came with another interesting topic, that is drafting committee. Drafting committee means uh, drafting committee means sketching of the Indian Constitution. There is nothing but sketching. Sketching means how the Indian Constitution have been formed. How the Indian Constitution have been formed is called sketching of the Indian Constitution. That is called drafting committee. This drafting committee came into force on August 29, 1947. Right? August 29, 1947. The members of the drafting committee are B.R. Ambedkar, is the head and chief architecture of the Indian Constitution, and other members K.M. Munshi, Muhammad Sadullah, Krishnamacharya, and Muhammad Sadullah, Madhavarao, and other members, Gopal Krishna Iyengar and Gopal Krishna Iyengar. These are the drafting committee members of the Indian Constitution. And another important topic is objective resolution. Objective resolution is moved by Dr. Jawaharlal Nehru, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. On objective resolution was moved by who? Objective resolution was moved by our first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was moved objective resolution. Objective resolution is nothing but aim and objective of the Constitution. That is called objective resolution. That is called objective resolution. This objective resolution was moved on 13th December 1947. 13th December 1947. This objective resolution was moved on, and this objective resolution got sanctioned on January 22nd, 1948. This objective resolution got sanctioned on January 22nd, 1948. This is the preface of the Indian Constitution. Preface means nothing. The introduction of the Indian Constitution. What is the structure of the Indian Constitution? What is Indian Constitution? How is Indian Constitution? The aim and objective of the Indian Constitution and structure of the Indian Constitution, and also there are other members. Are there in our Indian Constitution. There are so many members of committees are there. Numerous committees, like Minority Committee. The first Minority Committee chairman is Muhammad Sadullah. He is headed by Muhammad Sadullah. Minority Commission. Ambedkar belongs to SC Committee, Backward Classes SC Committee, and Krishnamacharya for Backward Classes BC Committee. These are the important committees from Indian Constitution. Thank you. I will come with next time. I will come with another interesting video from our Indian Constitution. Thank you once again. Thank you to all. This is me, Uday Bhat.